Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin rights and a quick save of any open files. Once saved, open Start, type Control Panel, and press Enter to open it. Make sure View By is set to Category so the next selections match what you see. You're doing this now to access Windows features without detours. This gets you straight to programs and features where Windows components live. Once there, you'll be ready to turn Hyper-V off safely and prepare for the change. In Programs and Features, click Turn Windows Features on or off. You'll see a long list of optional components. Scroll to Hyper-V and expand it, then uncheck Hyper-V plus any sub-items like Management Tools and Platform. Once unchecked, click OK to commit the change. Windows will apply files and request a restart. Make sure you didn't leave related virtualization features enabled. Uncheck Windows Hypervisor Platform if present. This removes the Hyper-V role, so other hypervisors can run. After Windows applies the changes, restart immediately to complete the disable process. Once back, verify Hyper-V is off by opening System Information and checking Hypervisor, detected equals no, or look in Task Manager under Services for Hyper-V entries. If Hyper-V still appears active, run command prompt as admin and check bcdedit/enum. If Hypervisor launch type is auto, set it to off with bcdedit/set Hypervisor launch type off and reboot.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.